Hi, this is Matt with Inmate Search Info. Today we're going to take a look at how to find Indiana inmates or past offenders through the Indiana DOC offender search. The Indiana DOC offers a couple different ways to find a former or present Indiana offender, someone that's in the system or has been discharged from the system. You can search by the name of the offender using last or first name. Obviously, the more information you can put in, the better your results will be. If you happen to have the Indiana DOC number or offender number that they're asking for here, you'll be taken directly to their results. But if you don't happen to have that, you can certainly use a name-based search. And once you've made your search, you get a list of results. They only present 10 at a time. So if you do have multiple results, in the case of a common name like the one I'm using, and because of the fact that they include all past offenders, even those who have been discharged, you could potentially end up with a lot of results, would have to do a lot of kind of digging there to get the information that you're looking for. It'd be nice if they had some filters and things like some of the other states do, but they don't happen to have that. May not always be an issue, but occasionally it could be. So as mentioned, you'll be able to see a list of all of those who match the results for the information that you entered. And it's sorted alphabetically. Obviously, we put Michael Smith, so they're giving you all those Michael A. Smiths first, and then they'll go through the other middle initials alphabetically. And you're able to see a brief glimpse at the person, so you can kind of maybe narrow it down a bit. Date of birth, race, and whether or not they are still in the system, still serving, or whether they're under some other status or supervision level. And if you click on the DOC number, which you are given for future reference, or if you're looking to send money or correspondence, whatever the case might be, if you click on those DOC numbers, they do take you to a little bit of further information. So we'll pick someone who's currently in a facility and see what we have here. So we do get the full date of birth for this particular Michael A. Smith, and then they give you information on the possible release dates, and they give you information as well on the current sentencing based on the active offense or most recent offense, as well as prior. So you're able to see all of that, as well as the specific case number or cause number, so that you can potentially do further research if the information that they give you on the description is not clear enough. Unfortunately for the state of Indiana, they don't give you photos or any kind of detailed physical descriptions, so you're not necessarily able to narrow it down or pinpoint it maybe as closely as you might like without that extra information. If you happen to know a date of birth, obviously that'll help a lot, but again, you're going to have to kind of sift through because they don't let you sort by date of birth or by any other filters you may be able to use based on your knowledge of the inmate or past offender. So in addition, they give you the location of the facility where the person is located, but they don't give you information about that facility in terms of an address or phone number or visitation hours or anything like that. So it's a little bit limited, but there is enough, hopefully, meat on the bone here to do your own further investigation. But if you're looking for a link to this Indiana Department of Corrections offender search, as well as step-by-step instructions and further resources on Indiana crime and links to the prisons themselves and information on visitation hours and things like that, as well as background checks, please visit the link in the description to be taken to our Indiana page. Thanks so much for watching.